Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about a brief history of Moodle. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of Moodle. Moodle has a rich history that spans several decades. It was created by Martin Dogyamas, an educator and computer scientist, and has evolved into one of the most popular open source learning management systems or LMS in the world. Here is a brief overview of the history of Moodle. In an exception, late 1990s, Moodle's development began in the late 1990s when Martin Dogyamas was working as a web administrator at Curtin University in Western Australia. He was interested in creating an online learning platform that could provide a more collaborative and user-centered educational experience. Dogyamas started developing the initial version of Moodle in 1999. Number 2, first release 2001. The first official release of Moodle, known as Moodle 1.0, occurred in August 2002. This version laid the foundation for many of the features and functionalities that Moodle is known for today, including course management, forums, and resource sharing. Number 3, growth in community development. As Moodle gained popularity, an open source community of developers and educators formed around the project. This community contributed to the ongoing development and improvement of Moodle, creating plugins, themes, and additional features to enhance its capabilities. Number 4, Moodle Association. In 2004, the Moodle Association was established to provide a legal entity for Moodle and help support its development. This organization facilitates financial contribution from institutions that use Moodle. Number 5, major releases. Moodle has gone through a multiple major releases over the years, with each version introducing new features, improvements, and enhanced capabilities. Some of the significant releases include Moodle 2.0 2010, Moodle 2.7 2014, Moodle 3.0 2015, and Moodle 3.11 2021. Global adoption. Moodle's flexibility, open source nature, and strong community support have lead to its widespread adoption in educational institutions around the world. It is used by schools, universities, corporations, and organizations for a wide range of learning and training purposes. Number 7, integration and ecosystem. Moodle has a vast ecosystem of third-party plugins, themes, and integrations that enhance its functionality and allow users to tailor the platform to their specific needs. Number 8, ongoing development. Moodle continues to be actively developed and maintained by its global community of contributors. Regular updates and improvements ensure that the platform remains relevant and responsive to the evolving needs of educators and learners. Moodle's history reflects its commitment to open source values, community collaboration, and the ongoing improvement of online learning education. It has played a significant role in advancing the field of e-learning and remains a popular choice for institutions and organizations looking to create and manage online courses and educational content. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the history of Moodle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.